Now, find the area of the shaded triangle. Okay, so looking at the shaded triangle here, I hope you can tell that's the shaded part. It's a bit light. All right. So remember in a triangle, right? Any three sides of the triangle can act as the base. Okay, but you will have to choose the base that allows you to create or observe a perpendicular height easily. All right, so now notice that these two sides are already given. Okay, so this side, let me point at this, 10 cm, 8 cm, these two sides of the triangle are already given. This long side, they didn't give us the measurement, so obviously this would not be our base. Right, so either 10 or 8 will be the base. Now, typically we would choose 10 cm as the base since it overlays on the same side of the rectangle here. Okay, whereas 8 cm is like inside here. So 10 cm, if I treat this as the base, now which line acts as the perpendicular height? Okay, so if you look at the perpendicular height, some of you tell me say 8 cm is the perpendicular height. Right? Now, but if you don't forget about this, 8 cm, right? Can you see this line? It doesn't form a right angle to the 10 cm. Right? It doesn't form a right angle to the 10 cm. Hence, we cannot say the 8 cm is the perpendicular height. Alright, so the perpendicular height is where you need to rotate your paper such that the base is at the bottom of the paper. Okay, I can't rotate it now because I'm using the slide here. So if you rotate your whole page such that the base is facing the bottom, you will realize that your perpendicular height, you have to drop it down from this corner here, drop it down such that it forms a right angle to the base. Notice that the height did not actually touch the base. Okay, it doesn't have to touch the base. There's no condition to fulfill. The height has to be a right angle to the base. That's one condition. Second condition is that the height needs to be needs to be touching the vertex that's opposite the base. So if you notice the base, right? The base is here. The vertex right opposite it is this corner. Vertex is the corner of the shape. So this corner is where the height has to be dropped down to form a right angle. So then this dotted line height, can you see then will be your 7 cm. Okay, so there you go. You have your base, 10 cm. You have your height, that is 7 cm. So simply apply your area of triangle. So half, yeah, so this is what I've drawn. The pink is the base, blue is the height. So half times the base times the height. And that would be your area of the triangle.